Climb. Climb, Mimi. Up, 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 up. Come here. Oh, goodness. I didn't mean to start it. Come here. Come here. No. No climbing. Okay. I thought for sure you were going to climb. Hey, you like this tree, Miracle? Come here. Come here, Miracle. Come here. No. You can lead a cat to a tree, but you cannot make him climb. He does what he wants. Isn't that right, Miracle? Yes. He's enjoyed the warm weather today, haven't you, Miracle? He was outside with me for a little while I was in the iris garden, and I think I felt like he was a little too warm, so I took him back inside, and I went back in when I was finished, and he was just looking out of the window. I could tell he wanted to go back out again. So, we're out again, aren't we, Miracle? Yeah. We haven't been this way in a few days. I try to go a different path ever so often, so he won't get bored. It's not funny to get bored, is it, Miracle? I know, so many smells to smell. Yeah. Gonna stop for salad. Trees are starting to come out. It's like 83 today. Very warm. Very warm. Oh, he's found some salad. He says, I found some salad. Yes, he did. Come on. Oh, he's found some big sprigs there. Yeah. That's what he likes. Sun's starting to dip down. Look at this bush. I think that's a huckleberry. It's coming out. There's a lot of huckleberry bushes around here. Was that good, Miracles? Yeah. He said there was some salad. Let's go over here, Miracles. Lots of trees. They're the right size for climbing. Would you like to climb, Miracle? No? Let's go see the pond. Oh, it's really went down. He's found more salad. Oh, it's been really windy. I was almost afraid to come out here. It's so windy. Yeah, the pond is really going down. Miracle says thanks for watching, everyone.